Hey everybody, Don Dabney. I'm the owner of Left Coast Classics, and this is just a stunning 1963 Jaguar Mark II 3.8. I don't even know what to say. This is probably the most amazing Mark II I've ever driven. And I can say that because I've actually owned one. I have one. It's been in our family over 50 years, a stock automatic car. So the difference with this car is just something else. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to take you around this car. I'm going to take you under it. But first, we're going to take a ride in it. Wow. So I have my mother's car that my dad bought her over 50 years ago. We still have this car in our family, and it's a stock 3.8 automatic car. And this is just a completely different experience driving this car, which is so set up for performance. And the shifting is just spot on, tight, and the gearing is perfect. It's just exhilarating to drive. It's completely different than driving a stock Mark II. But it's still smooth, it's nimble, the brakes are tight, the gauges are all working, the interior is beautiful. You can smell the, you can smell the leather and the wool carpeting. I believe this is Connolly leather. Everything about it is just amazing. Like, I'm not even sure, can I get it into fifth gear? I mean, I'm going 50, but I've got cars in front of me. There we are, 50 miles an hour, fifth gear, and we're, our RPMs are low. I'm not sure the RPM gauge is reading properly, but it's very chill here. And super responsive. These cars, even back in the day, I mean, they were so cutting edge with the four-wheel disc brakes, the way the suspension was set up. But this is a whole different level for a Mark II. Now we're going to try and get through this next light and just kind of keep going. I know it's a bit of a long drive video, but I want to be able to get it up to a little more speed. It goes up and down through all the gears very smoothly. Good, we got a green one. No hesitation at all. Wow. It's tight too, no rattling. It's incredible. This car is doing what, like, it was designed to do this, but now it can really do it. It can cut loose. It's really got more horsepower. I don't know what the difference is yet. I'll take a look at that between a stock 3.8 with the dual carbs and how this car is set up. But this is just very responsive, it accelerates quickly, and it's just butter smooth going down the road here. So we're fifth gear. I definitely know, I can tell that the RPM gauge is not reading properly. All the other gauges seem to be well. The The oil pressure is just nice and high, 50 plus, 55 plus, and fuel gauge, amp gauge, water gauge, all working fine, as well as the speedometer and the odometer. But wow, what a rush. That's to third, down to second. There's like no play in the steering. The steering is so nice and tight. Unbelievable. So much fun to drive this car, and the power steering is so smooth. Anyway, there you go. Be sure to check over, head over to my website if you haven't already. It's at leftcoastclassics.com. Here it is right here. And check it out there. There's hundreds of photos. And all those photos online, I have all of those in high resolution in Dropbox. And if you send me a text, I'm happy to send you back a link and or an email. And you can download them, and you can like zoom in on a speck of dust and see how beautiful this car really is. Check all that out, and call, text anytime. This is my number right here on the screen. Jot that down. And check us out. 3 episodes of my favorite car show, Wheeler Dealers. We did an old Ford Thunderbird a dozen years ago, I think. That one right here, back in the Ed China days. We did another one, I think around 2018, a beautiful Lancia Fulvia. Our last episode was a really interesting episode. It was the only one that was ever done like this on Wheeler Dealers with my friend Mike. And it was this green Triumph TR4A, beautiful one-owner car. So check those out. Again, if you have any questions, call, text me directly. I'm the owner. I'm the guy to talk to. And thanks for checking out this beautiful 3.8 Mark II. All right, let's do a cold start. Got the choke down here. I've got that out. All right, let's head under the Mark II. We've got a nice stainless steel exhaust. Beautiful floors all throughout. Everything was done under here, springs, bushings, the whole gamut. All the brakes are obviously discs, front and rear, as they were from the factory. And 5-speed transmission right here. Just very nice car under here. All right, we'll go around the car. I've got a little light magnet with a little film on the back of it so it won't scratch it. The paint is just beautiful. You can see the reflection. It's like glass. There you go.